Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are on a temple in Pigeons Island, Sri Lanka. The only way to get to this island is via a small footbridge. After you get onto the island, you would have to climb up some stairs to get to the terrace where you can overlook the beautiful Indian Ocean. The ocean would be normally blue, but we had a tropical storm yesterday and the water became brown. From Pigeons Island, Matara, we went to Thalpe Beach in Gaul. Thalpe Beach is a popular tourist attraction because of the man-made holes carved in the rocks that create flood pools when the tide is high. The man-made holes were used to extract the husk fibers of white coconut husk. There is a wide variety of animals and plants in these holes, like algae, different types of seagrass, octopus, crab, and many different types of small fish. Animals get to these holes either through the waves or through the tunnels that connect every single hole. The rocks are slippery because of the moss, so be careful when you walk on the rocks. There are many different types of small fish that are swimming about in the holes. You can swim in the flood ponds and go on a tire swing for just 50 rupees. When swimming, don't go too far out because there is a big drop-off at the end. You now see a hermit crab. This is another beach close to Unawatuna Beach. Here, you could rent a surfboard and go surfing, or have an instructor help you. You can see a temple out in the distance. The waves are perfect for surfing, and you could take a little stroll on the beach. There is also a restaurant here, so you can enjoy any meal. If you want to visit here, it is near Thalpe entrance. We are now at a different beach called Unawatuna. There is a hotel here that you can book to stay. We are approaching the end of this video. We hope that you like and subscribe, and have a great day.